Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. First, slice your rock stripe to a more manageable size. Preferably, it should be sliced to look like this. In a pot with water, put in your rock stripe, a handful of salt, ginger, pepper, and lastly a whole onion. Leave in the pressure cooker for about 30 minutes. Once you're done, in a big pan or a wok, get your olive oil and spread evenly around the pot. Once your pan is hot, put in this much minced garlic and sauté it in the oil. Afterwards, pour in your rock stripe. Ours look like this because it has been left in the fridge for a few hours. Mix it well until it looks like this. Then, add in your green chilies or bell pepper. Chop up your chorizos and add it as well. Then, add more salt and pepper. After about 5 minutes, pour in your tomato sauce. Make sure to mix everything well once you're done. Once your sauce boils, add in your garbanzos along with your green peas and green olives. Mix everything well while letting it simmer. Lastly, add your laurel leaves to top everything off. That is how you make the delicious Indonesian Callos.
Yum! So delicious! Thanks for watching.